Carshards Auto Group here, located at 5028 Tennessee Capitol Boulevard. We could be reached at 850-284-0656. And we're back looking at a 2019 V6 Chevy Impala. It's a LT, loaded with multiple options, just like any other LT it normally is. Very clean car. As you can see, ample trunk space. V6 LT, white, tinted windows. Gray interior. No major scratches, dings, or dents. No rips in the seats. Rear driver's side view. Entering in the driver's side now. $41,000 miles on it. All your screen options, backup camera, Bluetooth, phone connect, navigation. Again, Chevy Impala V6. Again, 2019 Chevy Impala, 41,000 miles, Carshards Auto Group. You reach that 850-284-0656. Thanks.